To cut a section in Revit, you click on this section icon. You can also see the section icon under view. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this plus icon will appear. You draw the section depending on where you want to draw it. You can also adjust the section line. You can also adjust it. Okay, so this is okay. Then you click on the section line to view the section. Right click on it, go to view. You can see the section, or you can also go through the project browser. Scroll down, you see section. Click on it to view the section.